Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. Today, I'm going to guide you on how to put Google Chrome on your desktop for easy access, making it straightforward to launch your favorite browser. If you enjoy this tip, please subscribe for more tech advice. First of all, ensure Google Chrome is installed on your computer. And now, if you are using Windows, open the Start menu and try to find Google Chrome from here, or you can search it manually. After then, right click on it and then click on More. After then, click on Open File Location. And here you will see the shortcut icon of Google Chrome. Now normally right click on it again and then choose Send to. If you hover over here, then you will see some options on the right side. Just normally choose Desktop. And you will see the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop. And that's it. You now have Google Chrome easily accessible from your desktop, making it quicker to get online. I hope you find this tip helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Mr. TechFox for more straightforward tech tutorials. Allah Hafiz.